In this video, I will show you how to fix low call volume on your iPhone. So, let's watch it until the end. Increase ongoing call volume. If you're on a call and face low call volume on your iPhone, press the volume up button to raise the call volume. Also, turn on voice isolation during call by swiping down from the top right corner and opening the control center. Tap on the drop-down menu at the top and select voice isolation. Another helpful solution is force restart. Doing this gives your iPhone a fresh start, resolves temporary software glitches, reinitializes audio settings, and closes multifunctioning apps. To force restart your iPhone, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and simultaneously press and hold the side power button for 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone. Then, release the side button and wait for the force restart process to complete. Unlock your iPhone and check if the call volume problem is fixed. Turn on or off hearing aid compatibility. Enabling or disabling hearing aid compatibility resolves low call volume depending on your hearing aid usage. If you use a hearing aid, enabling hearing aid compatibility on your iPhone may help improve audio clarity and quality. Disabling hearing aid compatibility may increase the call volume and improve audio quality if you don't use a hearing aid device. So, let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Again, scroll down and tap on the hearing device. Afterward, turn the toggle on or off next to hearing aid compatibility. In my case, I am turning it on. Check for software update. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone home screen and tap the General section. Then, select Software Update and wait for a few seconds until your device checks for any pending or new updates. If an update is available, tap on Update Now or Download button. Then, wait for the update process to complete. Turn off Bluetooth. If you're not using Bluetooth devices such as AirPods, headphones, or other accessories, I recommend you turn off Bluetooth from the Settings app or Control Center. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Bluetooth section and turn off the Bluetooth toggle. That's it. Reset all settings. Doing this restores your iPhone to its default settings. Don't worry, your data and contacts remain safe. So, let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General section. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Afterward, tap on the Reset option and select Reset All Settings. Your iPhone may show an Enter Passcode prompt. So, enter your lock screen passcode and confirm the Reset All Settings process. Wait until the process is complete. Clean the speaker slot and earpiece. Cleaning your iPhone speaker slot and earpiece helps remove debris and improves sound wave transmission. Here's how to clean your iPhone speaker slot. First, power off your iPhone. Then, take a soft bristled toothbrush and gently sweep away debris from the speaker slot. Afterward, dip a cotton swab into alcoholic water and clean your iPhone speaker and earpiece. Contact support. If none of the solutions work, contact Apple support and speak with Apple technician for further assistance with free repair and replacement. You can check your iPhone warranty status online. In addition, you can schedule a repair if you find any hardware issues with iPhone speakers. Tap on the top iCard to watch the full video on how to book a Genius Bar appointment. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks video.